Mars,
Yeah.
why did you choose to cosplay Sailor Moon?
Aside from the fact na sobrang favorite namin ang Sailor Moon series, feeling ko, pinaka na-embody ko si Sailor Moon sa pagiging tita and stuff like that. Okay.
Let's do nice pose.